Hello guys, this is a video that is a proof that infinitely line can pass through a point. It's a mathematical analytical solution for this proof. Suppose you get two equations that shows the line 1 and line 2. They always intersect at a point. Suppose that point you get is x and y, and when you know that the both line can intersect only at one point, that is x and y. And if we can give you another equations that is another equation that really pass that through that point, that it will prove. So if we add both the equations here, you get on adding both equations you get another equation line 3, and on subtracting you get another equation line 4. And if we draw the both, we taking the both line 1 and 2 and adding get 3 and 4, we see that all the 4 lines intersect at same point. And if you keep adding the equations in same more terms in this way, that they will not remove one term, x or y should not be removed. You just it just to find the values of the point, but you should add in that way by multiplying 3 so that they both the coefficient will there, x and y. And like this you can mathematically prove that so many lines can pass through a point, and in fact infinitely line can pass through a point. So sometimes you can always also use in matrix that you suppose this is a matrix. Suppose if in matrix you add one row to another row, and one row is the coefficient of an equation like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is another a2 plus, that is a2, b2 and c2. If you add both the equations and write it in there here, or add the row term into this row and write it here, it will not affect the solution. The equations remains the same, passing through the same point. You will not get a different solution for solving while solving equations. So we can do this in matrix too. So I hope you understand. This is the analytical proof for that infinitely line can pass through a point, a single point. Thank you very much.